Best blenders that are smart. Welcome to Tony's Top Tech. Today we're diving into the world of smart blenders as we count down the 10 best options for both professional chefs and home cooks. Whether you're crafting gourmet sauces, making nutritious smoothies, or blending ingredients for a culinary masterpiece, these smart blenders will take your kitchen to the next level. They combine power, versatility, and smart technology to make blending easier and more efficient than ever. Before we start, let's kick things off with a fun trivia question. What year was the first electric blender invented? Think you know the answer? Stick around until the end of the video to find out if you're right. It's a fun bit of history that's sure to surprise you. Now, let's get into our list, starting with number 10. Number 10, Oster Pro 1200 Smart Blender. The Oster Pro 1200 is an excellent entry-level smart blender, equipped with 7 speeds and a powerful motor that uses dual-direction blade technology for extra smooth blending. What sets it apart from other blenders at this price point is its food processor attachment, which makes it a truly versatile kitchen tool. Whether you're chopping veggies, pureeing soups, or blending up a smoothie, the Oster Pro 1200 handles it all with ease. This blender also comes with a glass jar, which many users prefer over plastic for its durability and ease of cleaning. If you're looking for a reliable blender that offers fantastic value for the price, this one's for you. Check out the link in the description for more details and pricing on this versatile blender. Number 9. Instant Ace Plus Multi-Use Blender. If you're looking for a blender that does more than just blend, the Instant Ace Plus is the one for you. It offers 10 different speed settings and has both hot and cold blending capabilities, making it perfect for everything from smoothies to hot soups. This blender is like having a cooking assistant in your kitchen. It can handle cooking, blending, and even grinding with ease. What's great about the Instant Ace Plus is its ability to maintain consistency across a wide variety of textures, thanks to its smart programs that allow you to fine-tune your blending to perfection. You can find the link to this smart powerhouse in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Number 8. Cosori Smart Blender. Cosori brings smart technology right into your kitchen with its app-controlled smart blender. Imagine having the ability to control and customize your blender settings right from your smartphone. With the Cosori app, you can create and save custom blending programs, ensuring that your smoothie, soup, or sauce comes out perfectly every time. Designed with high-power blade technology, this blender can tackle everything from delicate greens to hard ice cubes. Plus, the Cosori's app offers a variety of recipes, so you'll never run out of creative ideas. This blender is a dream come true for anyone who loves to integrate smart technology into their cooking routine. Find the link in the description to explore all the features and benefits. Number 7. Tefal Infinimix Triton Smart Blender. Tefal's Infinimix Triton Smart Blender brings a ton of innovation and convenience into the kitchen. It boasts 6 pre-programmed settings, each designed to handle specific blending tasks like making smoothies, crushing ice, or creating purees. One of the standout features of this blender is its companion app, which not only provides recipes, but also offers tips for getting the most out of your blends. The app takes the guesswork out of blending, allowing you to focus on experimenting and having fun with your culinary creations. With its large 2-liter capacity and powerful motor, this blender is great for anyone who enjoys entertaining or cooking for a crowd. Be sure to check the description for more info and pricing. Number 6. Hamilton Beach Professional 58870. The Hamilton Beach 58870 delivers serious blending power without the high price tag that often comes with premium blenders. Featuring a 2.4 horsepower motor, this blender can pulverize even the toughest ingredients like frozen fruits, nuts, and seeds. It also comes with pre-programmed settings for smoothies, ice crushing, and pureeing, plus a variable speed control dial for more precise blending. Hamilton Beach is known for offering high performance at a budget-friendly price, and this model is no exception. If you're looking for professional-grade power without breaking the bank, this blender is a fantastic choice. Make sure to check the link in the description for more details on this powerful option. Number 5. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. The KitchenAid K400 is a sleek, high-performing blender that comes equipped with IntelliSpeed motor control, which senses the contents of the blender and automatically adjusts the speed to ensure consistent results every time. With 3 preset programs, this blender takes the guesswork out of blending, making it easy to create smoothies, crush ice, and puree sauces with the touch of a button. The K400 also features a powerful vortex design that pulls ingredients down towards the blade for smooth, even blending. Whether you're using it for your morning smoothie or a gourmet dinner recipe, the K400 delivers consistent, high-quality results. All the details and links are waiting for you in the description below, so don't miss out on this top pick. Number 4. Breville Super Q. The Breville Super Q offers premium performance in a sleek, quiet design. It comes with 5 one-touch programs and is compatible with VAC-Q technology, which removes air from your blends for a smoother texture and richer flavors. This feature is particularly useful for making silky smooth soups and sauces. The Super Q also has a commercial-grade motor that can handle tough ingredients with ease, yet it operates much quieter than most other blenders. If you're a serious cook who values both power and elegance in the kitchen, the Breville Super Q is a fantastic choice. Find the link in the description to explore this high-end blender further. Number 3. NutriBullet Balance Smart Blender. The NutriBullet Balance takes blending to the next level by adding Bluetooth connectivity and a companion app that tracks the nutritional content of your blends. With this smart blender, you can monitor your intake of vitamins and nutrients, ensuring that you're making healthy choices every time you blend. It's ideal for those who want to take control of their diet while still enjoying delicious smoothies, shakes, and soups. The app also comes with a variety of recipes and tips, making this blender an essential tool for health-conscious home cooks. Make sure to check the description for all the details and see why the NutriBullet Balance is a smart choice for your kitchen. Number 2. Blendtec Designer 725. The Blendtec Designer 725 is packed with advanced features, including a 100-speed touch slider and smart blend technology, which detects issues like overheating or air pockets in your blend. This blender also comes with 6 pre-programmed settings that allow you to make everything from smoothies to ice cream with the touch of a button. Blendtec is known for making some of the most powerful and durable blenders on the market, and the Designer 725 is no exception. If you're looking for precision, durability, and ease of use, the Blendtec Designer 725 is an excellent choice for any kitchen. And then you can find the full specs and links in the description below. Honorable mentions. Before we get to number 1, let's take a quick look at a couple of honorable mentions that didn't quite make the top 10 but are still worth considering. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. This model is a more affordable option from Vitamix, offering the brand's legendary power and durability in a simpler design. It's perfect for chefs who want classic Vitamix performance without all the extra bells and whistles. BlendJet 2 Portable Blender. Ideal for smoothies on the go, the BlendJet 2 is a small, portable blender that's perfect for travel, work, or small kitchen spaces. It's not as powerful as the others on the list, but it's super convenient for quick, individual servings. Chefman Blender Combo, a budget-friendly option for home cooks who need a decent blender that can also chop and puree. It's not packed with smart features, but it's a solid choice for basic kitchen needs. Before we reveal number 1, let's answer that trivia question. The first electric blender was invented in 1922 by Stephen Poplawski. Originally designed to make soda fountain drinks, this innovation has since evolved into the multifunctional kitchen tool we know today, used for everything from smoothies to soups. And now, it's time for the number 1 smart blender on our list. Number 1. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. At the top of our list is the Vitamix A3500. This blender offers 5 program settings, touchscreen controls, and wireless connectivity that allows it to automatically adjust the settings based on the size of the container you're using. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook looking for the best in performance and versatility, the Vitamix A3500 delivers in every way. Its smart technology makes blending effortless, and its powerful motor ensures that no ingredient is too tough to handle. This blender truly represents the gold standard for smart blending technology. Be sure to check out the link in the description to see why the Vitamix A3500 is a kitchen game changer. And there you have it, the 10 best smart blenders for chefs and home cooks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more top tech recommendations. Let us know in the comments which blender you're most excited about or which one you already have in your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, the links to all the blenders mentioned in the video are in the description below. Be sure to watch more of our great content for even more tech reviews and product roundups. We've got plenty of videos lined up to help you find the best gadgets, appliances, and tech for your home. See you in the next video.